On to some news that's breaking this minute coming in from the top court. The Supreme Court has deferred Prashant Bhushan 2009 contempt case to September 10th. Bhushan's lawyer has asked that a constitution bench should hear the 2009 contempt case in which Bhushan called the past CJIs corrupt. Bhushan's lawyer contested that the conviction can't be without defense. Let me go across to our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Banja for further updates on this. Meenakshi, take us through the details there. This is a case pertaining to the 2009 contempt case against Prashant Bhushan. What are the important updates you can give us from the top court?
Well, Apurva, at the outset, very important to highlight to our viewers that there are two contempt cases that the Supreme Court was currently seized of. One was the 2020 tweets contempt case, and the second was the 2009 case which had been pending in the Supreme Court for a fairly long time. So pertaining to the 2009 contempt case against Mr. Prashant Bhushan, the matter was taken up for consideration today, where it was pointed out by senior advocate Mr. Rajiv Dhawan, who was representing Prashant Bhushan, that there are larger questions pertaining to the conflict, it seems, that has arisen between the right to free speech and also the suo motu powers of the Supreme Court. So these larger questions, according to Rajiv Dhawan, needed to be settled by a larger bench composition, which is the Constitution bench of the Supreme Court, and therefore he sought for a transfer of this matter to the Constitution bench. Now, on that issue, the current bench, which is being led by Justice Arun Mishra, and since Justice Arun Mishra, viewers will recall, is all set to demit office, he's set to retire on the 2nd of September, he felt that these larger questions have to be settled by an appropriate bench, and therefore the matter now stands deferred, like you rightly mentioned, to the 10th of September, by which time it will be the Honorable Chief Justice of India who will take a call on the listing of the matter going forward before an appropriate bench. So for now, the 2009 contempt case which the Supreme Court had taken up against Mr. Prashant Bhushan stands officially deferred till the 10th of September, which is when the Chief Justice of India will take a call pertaining to the listing of the case before a suitable appropriate bench. Apurva.
All right. Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those breaking updates.